Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes has revealed new details about its story, and it almost certainly means a popular theory about May is correct.
That is correct.
Welcome to 30's Feedback, folks. So, with the franchise moving hundreds of years beyond War for the Planet of the Apes' ending, there has been great speculation about how Kingdom will evolve the franchise. The main story revolves around a new ape named Noah who fights back against the apes' new leader, Proximuscaesar. However, his journey is changed when Noah encounters a mysterious girl named May, played by Freya Allen. Planet of the Apes' new human lead has been the subject of much speculation. One of the biggest Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes theories is that the movie involves a space travel subplot, similar to the original 1968 Planet of the Apes. Speculation mounted that Freya Allen's character could be the franchise's George Taylor replacement. The theory is that May will be revealed to be an astronaut from the past who has now returned to Earth and discovers apes have taken over. In a surprising turn of events, the final Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes trailer includes a major reveal that goes a long way in confirming this suspicion. Arguably, the biggest piece of evidence for this is the confirmation that she can speak. This is how she lets Noah know what her real name is, as footage of her speaking throughout the movie finally emerges. The reveal that May can speak in Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes means that she has not been infected by the simian flu virus. Although being mute was not an immediate side effect of the virus, it had mutated to the point where immune humans were becoming mute by War for the Planet of the Apes' ending. It is a rapid side effect of the mutated virus based on how quickly the Colonel loses his ability to speak. Since Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes takes place 300 years later, all humans who were still around should lack the ability to speak. That is why Noah is so surprised in the movie when May speaks. He surely never encountered a human who could.
Good morning, buddy.
It's morning?
You can talk?
The only explanation for May being able to speak in Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes is that she is not from this time or place. It then becomes possible that May is one of the lost astronauts from Rise of the Planet of the Apes who now returns to Earth. Her return to Earth after so many years means that she has not been exposed to the virus previously and thus stands out compared to typical feral human beings that apes hunt. May's ability to speak is noteworthy when it comes to the likelihood that she is an astronaut from the past, but what she says in Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes' trailer is also quite telling. The footage shows a brief conversation she has with Proximuscaesar where she tells him, "This was a human place, it's not yours." May's words are notable because she talks about Earth with what sounds like knowledge of what it was, like before the ape empire took over. The reference of Earth's past would make sense if May is from that time instead of growing up in the years directly leading up to Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. This increases the likelihood that May was one of the astronauts on Icarus that launched right before the virus began to spread. She would have direct knowledge of what Earth was like before the apes rose to power. The trailers have even referenced May knowing the human secrets, which also backs up the belief that Freya Allen's character is not from this time. Now, there is mounting evidence that May is an astronaut from the past in Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes. Even before it was known that she could speak or had knowledge about Earth's history, details like her clothing were seen as signs of this twist. May's clothes might be torn and damaged, but they are noticeably different from the caveman attire every other human has in the film. Her distinctly unique appearance can be best explained as her coming from a point in time where she had access to them. Even beyond May, there have been frequent hints that Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes involves space travel to some degree. Imagery of Noah playing with a planet-themed crib mobile, May looking into space through a telescope, and astronauts on the wall of the planetarium all suggested the twist. William H. Macy is also playing another seemingly normal human. Meanwhile, this is a chance to redo elements of 1968's Planet of the Apes story. It all makes the theory that May is an astronaut in Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes seem obvious.
It would be so awesome. It would be so cool.